Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to ProofHub for Gantt-style planning, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with ProofHub for Gantt-style planning, first, navigate to the ProofHub website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign Up Free button. Click on that button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a form where you need to enter your email address. Choose a strong password that you can easily remember. After filling in your email and password, click on the Sign Up button. Next, you will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open that email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the ProofHub website and log in using your email and password. After logging in, you will be prompted to create your first project. Fill in the project details, such as the project name and description. Once your project is created, navigate to the Gantt chart section in the menu. Here, you can start adding tasks by clicking the Add Task button. Input the task name, start date, and end date for each task. You can also assign team members to the tasks for better collaboration. To visualize the project timeline, adjust the tasks on the Gantt chart as needed. Make sure to save all your changes to keep your project up to date. Explore additional features like milestones and dependencies to enhance your planning. Now you are ready to utilize ProofHub for effective Gantt-style planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.